Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make scrambled eggs on a toast. Let's get started. We have eggs here. We also have butter. You can use margarine or you can use oil if you want. We have a pan here. So let's, I already have it for medium high. It's turning a little bit higher. Okay, get your butter. You're gonna put it in the pan. Gonna bring this down to a medium heat, and I'm gonna spread all the butter all over, and then I'm gonna get 3 eggs, 1, 2, 3 eggs. We're gonna whip them. You can use a fork, you can use basically anything you want. As long as you whip the eggs, whip them really well. There you go. In the pan, you're gonna stir it. You're gonna get it out of the heat. Stir it really well. Back in the heat. We want them to be nice and creamy, just like that. And out of the heat, I like to season my eggs right at the end. Stir a little bit more. Have my toast ready to go. See how creamy they are? Beautiful, just the way I like them. I'll put everything on top of my toast. There you have it. It's beautiful, nice and creamy. Thank you for watching.